Mitingin ako ng vlog kanina ng mga yung magpakatotoo tayo guys ha. Ang arte, sobrang arte. Naartehan ako sa kanya nagsasalita. Oh my god guys, nag-lose-lose ng akong one guys. Okay, this is the property around it. It's big, a few hectares, but good morning guys. I'm wearing this again because I'm going to the garage. Because the exercise machine is there, even though it's not properly done working. I'm gonna do exercise. I'm gonna do run. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna show you outside. Good morning. This morning it's not really that foggy when I came down. I just came down not a long time ago, and then when I look again, it's foggy. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh my god, it's so foggy. Yeah, ito yung umaga dito. Wala kang makita kung ano ang mga anong nasa ito. How foggy is that? Are you serious? You cannot even see the road. So foggy. Nako. Hindi ko nga makita yung bahay doon eh. May bahay doon. Hindi ko makita. It's so foggy. Holy cow. Okay, let's go this way. Come, let's go. Tingnan nyo. Maghintay pa sa akin. Ay, nako. Makalipong. I'm not going to do a long time because it's my first day. So, yun. Not a long time. So, my legs are hurting. Whew. And itching at the same time. She's hiding. She's curious. And cereal. I know some of you guys told me cereal is a lot of sugar. I know. A lot of sugar. I just want to show you how beautiful outside right now. Look how beautiful out. Come here, Rox, out. Look how beautiful out there. Hi, Rox. Hi, Mitch. Roxy Mitch. I'm going to clean your face. Okay, baby? I'm going to clean your face. Do you want something? Oh, your ear. Do you want to go get something? No, you didn't because you don't eat your breakfast. I drew something of a house plant. Guys, ito yung house plant ko. It's kind of weird looking right now. But if I explain Tommy like it. Tommy like it, but he said, if I'm gonna do a house, it's gonna be like that. But I have to do a few more changes. Well, this is like a plan for like if we go buy a house in the Philippines and we want a big lot. I will explain this to you later, guys. What's the plan of my house? Tommy like my plan, but he has to do something different for the pool, for the swimming pool. Okay, guys, we're going to eat some strawberry. Ito yun. Inaano ko siya sa asin kasi para siyang tambis. Kapag nilagyan mo ng asin, just same thing when you're eating tambis. Please just like tambis. Strawberries. Kakain mo tayo ng strawberry. Tumitingin ako ng vlog kanina ng mga international na vlogger. Natawa ako. Kasi magpakatotoo tayo, guys, ha. Magpakatotoo tayo. Itong vlog, this vlog is not gonna be like, you know, I want to show you like in real life still. I want to talk more real life. You know, life. Nanonood ako ng vlog. At saka, ang arte, sobrang arte. Maganda naman siya. Sobrang arte. At saka, naartehan ako sa kanya nagsasalita. So, sabi ko, nagre-response ako, sumasagot ako sa mga salita niya. Oh, ang arte mo. Gosh, yun naman ang totoo, diba? Kapag manonood tayo ng vlog, naartehan tayo pero gusto pa rin natin manonood. Alam ko naman na meron din ako mga viewers dyan na bakit mga babaeng to kumakain ng malakas. Kahit ano nang pinagkakain-kain, ang arte, ang pangit, ang bulingit. Ganyan. Natural yan. That's life. Natural lang yun. May ganun din ay. Ako din nanonood ng mga vlog. Naartihan din ako pero I still like to watch their vlog. Yun naman ang totoo. No. Gusto mo pa rin manonood ng mga vlog nila kahit naartihan ka sa mga salita. International ito, guys. Roxy's laying down over there. Roxy? Come here, Rox. Come here. Come here, baby. I don't know if this is okay for them, but dalawa na lang. Eat it. Do you like it? You don't like it? You don't like it? You don't like it, baby? Oh, my baby. Of course, Misty ate it. It's done, Rox. You don't eat it, Misty got it. Yes. Misty's hungry. Yeah. Misty says sorry. She have to eat it. Yes, Misty, I know. Look how nice it is. Guys, remember yesterday I made a really good... Hey, Bug! What's wrong with you? Something wrong with my baby Bug. Bug, na bug di Bug. Lumpia is I froze half of what I made. Actually, not half. I cooked a lot yesterday. So, I'm gonna cook this. I'm gonna cook few actually today. But I'm not gonna cook a lot because I want it. Maybe it is good. 5. I'm going to cook 6. Okay, guys. This is my dream house. It's not a real drawing, guys. It's not a real... So, I will show you. Okay. So this is my property, big land, a big property land. This is the fence around a very high fence. This is just my drawing, guys. I'm not good in drawing or anything, but I'm just trying to explain Tommy yesterday what's my dream. I was thinking of like, oh my god, I really wanna go back to the Philippines and start over there. So I told him, okay, this is the property around it. It's big, a few hectares. But of course, we're gonna fence that first, higher fence, and have a barbed wire on top and electric. And of course, it's really high. No one can just touch it, you know. And this round here, this is the house, okay? Wall over here is like round and another round. And of course, over here, it's a living room, a big screen TV, a screen that like go up and down. And of course the TV behind it, and this one is like a motorized, it can go up and down, and couch around it, and flower over here in the center. Of course this one is the master bedroom, is connected, this one.
And this is a dirty kitchen right here. And this one right here, one door over here. And this is the regular kitchen. And the swimming pool right here. And this is the gazebo right here. And the fountain and face around it. Wow, you really are like imagining that you are wealthy, you know. It's just, why not? I'm just dreaming, what the heck. You know, you can imagine all you want. And then you see this little teeny tiny thing. This is our dogs and the cats. Our dogs and the cats are like outsider because they really cannot go outside of our own property. It's just around the house. The dogs and the cats. Yeah, it's just, and then Sammy said he liked it. And guys, this is also what I like, because if it's round house, the roof is kind of like pointy on the top, and then you can put clear roof in the middle, that your living room and the dining room at the same time. It's, you don't need any lights because it's clear roof. I don't know how you call that. It's like transparent, you know, yung mga scene ba, yung mga at sa bubungan, makikita mo yung araw. Hi guys, kain tayo guys. Dinner lang ito guys. What I'm gonna have here is the lumpia, rice, and the dipping sauce. So, yun lang naman. Yun lang ang meron ako dito. And I don't have enough rice, which is really bad. Oh my god. This is the frozen one. Anyway, so ito yung plano ni Tami. Sabi pa ni Tami, I want like this. And then house, you know, house around it like that. This is a house and this is the wall. And this is the swimming pool. And he put a net in it that there's no bug. But he said he want the swimming pool in a kind of view inside the view. But this is just, the house is like this. You know. It's just our stupid dream, guys. Who knows? So, yun ang mga dream namin talaga. Kung mayroong pera, bakit naman hindi, di ba? Kung mayroong pera. Good evening, guys. It is 8:04 in the evening, and right now it is playing. What is this? Survivor. Survivor is back, guys. They're back. I need to bring this phone. This phone is go upstairs. Tomorrow, I don't know the plan. My husband have a plan himself. So I don't know if I'm going over there. Oh my God, guys. Nag-lose-lose ng akong one, guys. Hold on, guys. Tommy have plan for tomorrow. And he want to go to Long Island. So, anyway, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Good night, guys. Bye.
People scam you in a million different ways.
Yeah.
It's not like they can do something and say, oh yeah, that's it. It's not. People have a million ways to scam.